Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie. Welcome to the 2000 Core Cantonese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is 短 short 短 short 短頭髮 short hair 短頭髮牌子 brand 牌子牌子 brand 牌子名 brand name 牌子名碼 size 碼size 你着咩碼嘅褲 What size pants do you wear? 你着咩碼嘅褲風格 style 風格style 有啲人會自創獨特風格 Some people develop a style of their own 有啲人會自創獨特風格潮流 fashionable 潮流fashionable 潮流頸巾 fashionable scarf 潮流頸巾鬆 loose 鬆 loose 鬆身 loose fitting 鬆身緊 tight 緊tight 緊身 tight fit 緊身企理 neat 企理 neat 盡量着得企理啲 Try to dress up neatly if you can 盡量着得企理啲 絲 silk 絲 silk 絲質衫褲 silk clothing 絲質衫褲中碼 medium 中碼 medium 我減磅時着中碼衫 When I lose weight, I wear a medium shirt. 我減磅時 着中碼衫。Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or a phrase in English. Respond in Cantonese, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say short? 短 短 And how to say brand? 牌子牌子 What about size? 碼碼 Do you remember how to say style? 風格風格 Let's try fashionable. 潮流潮流 What about loose? 鬆鬆 Now let's see if you remember how to say tight. 緊緊 Another one. What about neat? 企理企理 Do you remember how to say silk? 絲絲 And finally, do you remember how to say medium? 中碼中碼 Well done! See you next time! 再見